We'll guide you through how to fix Google Chrome no sound problem. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Chrome sound not working can be an annoying problem because then you can't go and hear sound from different websites. You may be trying to watch a video or try and do something else. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try. So make sure it's a full video so you can learn them. To get started, go and open up Chrome like so. What you need to do is go and head to the top right and you can press the three dots, go down and you can press settings. Go over to the left and find the option for privacy and security, and then you can go down and press site settings. Scroll down like so into content, and what you can then do is find additional content settings and you can find sound. Click there. Make sure sites can play sound is selected, and make sure there are no sites set here which are not allowed to play sound. You can press the three dots to the right to remove them if they are. Next, you want to go to the bottom right of your computer, find the sound icon and right click on it and press open volume mixer. You'll get this pop up. Make sure you've increased the volume here and make sure that the output device is set correctly here as well. Next, you want to go and scroll down and you want to go and find Chrome in apps. So make sure the app's not muted to the left first of all, and then what you can do is go and change the volume here as well. Hopefully now you're getting some sound. If you still aren't, what you should do is check the tab that you're currently on Chrome and make sure the site is not muted. You can go and right click it at the top and go and unmute it if it is. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you again in more useful guides like this. Have a great day. Goodbye for now.